Another new week, and I'm out with gorgeous little Thor on this day, and we just started pet care for a few weeks. I had to go away for an emergency, and now back with Tom, and it's another day. Frankie was hiding that day. Now Frankie's come out this day. We went in there. Frankie likes going into the cat run there too. He mainly spends time in there. There's gorgeous little Tom, and it's a little setup they have there. Another new day, and out with gorgeous little Thor again for his 20-minute walk, and he really loves this walk too. He enjoys it. Another new day, and it's been raining on and off, so I've got the umbrella out, but another new day again, out with Thor, and then back in with Tom. Another day out with Thor, and he loves playing with the sprinkler here too. He absolutely loves it. And then inside with gorgeous Frankie. Frankie's come out. Frankie hides a lot. Frankie spends a lot of the time in the cat run. Out with gorgeous Thor again, and just going for a walk, coming back, and there's Frankie out and just stocking up, of course, the feed. I do this, of course, each day. Just putting some more feed in there. Another new day, and I'm out with gorgeous little Thor, and then checking out here, there's gorgeous little Frankie.
No, you gotta stay there. Good, Frankie.
I always triple check these as well, the doors, just to make sure everything is closed properly.
What's wrong?
Another day, and I'm out with gorgeous Thor again, and we're just going for a 20-minute walk, then back again with little Tom. Tom loving his pats here. Another day, and I'm out with gorgeous little Hazel, and Hazel is loving the dog park. Hazel. And then headed out to gorgeous little Thor again for his walk around the neighbourhood. Once again, I triple check this door, yes, so many times just to make sure everything's locked and secure. Another day, and I thought let's head to the beach for a soccer time with little Hazel. Where is it? Just finishing up here and then heading out to Thor again, and it actually started to rain out this way. There's gorgeous little Frankie hanging there. It's another day, and we're heading out with Thor again. Taking the harness off Thor and just feeding Thor now.
Sit.
Now just topping up the water, cleaning it out and topping it up again. And Thor absolutely loves to play with the sprinkler here too. And just putting out the bins. It's another service we provide. We put out the bins for our customers and bring them back inside again. And then in with gorgeous little Tom here. And I think Thor's all tired. It's another new day and we're heading to another place, a dog park. Another dog park, something different, this one for Hazel.
Hazel, can I have the ball?
And I think Hazel's all tired here. Then heading out to Thor again. He's all excited for his walk. Back inside with Tom again. And then just taking my two out when I get back home again. And it's another day and I'm out with Thor. And we're just going for another walk again in the neighborhood. And then played a game of fetch as well with Thor. Just to try and wear him out even more. 20-minute walk does wear him out, but yeah, just to make sure he's all worn out. And then he plays with the sprinkler a little bit too. And Thor's all tied here, and there's gorgeous little Tom, and that's a snapshot of my 2 weeks, 3 weeks with Thor, Frankie and Tom.